Hi, my name is TJ Mauritian. I'm a senior at Wheaton North High School. I want to be an engineer because for me, I'm not really as satisfied knowing that things work. I'm really more focused on the idea of how they work. Going out to a theme park and seeing a roller coaster and wondering, how is it going that fast around that curve? How are people able to be so comfortable riding this, having so much fun? And this experience has really pushed me into the idea that I really want to go into engineering.
So we're a manufacturer of restaurant equipment in the quick service restaurant marketplace, and we're in about 150 countries around the world. We're really excited about the students that we can bring in from the local district. So we had 13 interns this summer, and TJ was one of them.
So to get this internship opportunity here at Anunas, I was able to work with my school and the district. I actually got to interview here and at one other place where I was able to really see the environment of manufacturing and find my place, and I found it here. A typical day as an intern is not what many people think of, just grabbing coffee, and especially here at Anunas, they really bring you into that company life. I've been able to see everything from the engineering department to being able to actually build things hands-on, which is an experience a lot of people never really think that they would have, but it's one that you definitely want.
It's amazing to watch the students grow as they've been here. So like with TJ, first day or the second day or the third day or even a week, you can see this student blossom, so to speak.
I learned some CAD software, I learned how to work in a team really. I learned how to do good presentations in the business world. Along with that, I got to learn a lot from mentors, so mentorship was a big thing here through this experience. My biggest takeaway, I'd have to say, is really just that anything is possible, really. What I had thought my career path was going to be, maybe more on a mechanical engineering side, was able to really refine itself through new knowledge, new experience, into something bigger, which really for me came to aerospace engineering, which is now where I see myself applying to college and eventually moving into industry.
Today's high school students need access to exploratory career experiences to prepare for their professional lives beyond graduation. My office is proud to support hands-on, work-based learning opportunities and career exploration for students in a variety of careers, especially the ones that drive our local economy. TJ's experience at Anunas Manufacturing is exactly what we hope for every student in DuPage County in their career of interest. To accomplish this, we ask our schools to continue reaching out to us for connections, and we ask our business community to please consider opening their doors to our county's incredible high school students like TJ.